Hi, it's Brian, connecting with you today regarding food storage, specifically around our canned goods. You may have seen in earlier videos where the honey bunnies have helped contribute, and we use our canning as a means of coming together, getting what we believe is a real high quality of food. We enjoy the process, the taste, but along with that, you also have to be sure that you're also making sure you're marking your food and rotating it. I want to give a quick shout out to Diane Devereaux. You may know her as the Canning Diva. She had a recent posting that was talking about food labeling, food rotation, and it inspired me. I've been canning for decades, but yet her content helped me rethink what I was doing. And honestly, I even ordered some shelf dividers that she had. It was just, why hadn't I done that? She's one of the many content creators that we're really looking forward to seeing when we go down to Prepper Camp August 14th through 16th. We have thought carefully about BePreparedSolutions.co. Our company exists to help the wonderful content that's created and the awareness that they created. We've created tools like Diane did with her guide, her downloads, her PDFs, her recommendations. We've created that as well to help people be better prepared, not only just for life, but most especially if there's any emergencies. We have everything from the alert service to the step-by-step plan that's customized for you, to the emergency preparedness kits that we have, to also the ability to log on and connect with us and talk. If you have any more questions about any of the videos, any of the topics, or anything related, please feel free to reach out to us at BePreparedSolutions.co. We would love to hear from you. We would also, if you're going to Prepper Camp, we would love to meet you, see you, talk with you there. So again, thank you. We hope that some of the things that we're doing and some of the things that the content creators like Diane has made that inspire you to take action, we hope some of the tools that we have will help you to execute on those and supporting your family. Thank you. Bye-bye.